Hi, I'm Sean from the team department at the Pulaski County Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cloud in a jar. To get started, you're just going to need a few supplies. First of all, you'll need some boiling water, a cup to pour your boiling water into your jar, a mason jar for canning, and the reason we're using a mason jar is because they can withstand high temperatures, and we're going to be putting some hot water in there, some ice, some hairspray, and a mason jar lid. So to get started, we're going to get some boiling water over here, and we're going to pour our jar about half full of boiling water. So you'll notice the boiling water's already started to kind of steam up the glass a little bit. And what we're going to do is we're going to spray some hairspray in there, and this hairspray is going to act basically as dirt or things that you may find in the atmosphere, fog, smog, and this will help us create our cloud, okay? So we're going to go ahead and spray this into the jar, and we're going to put the lid on. After putting the lid on, that kind of traps all that heat in there from the boiling water, and the ice that we're going to put on the top of the lid is going to help us make some condensation in there, which is what happens whenever clouds are being formed. So if you look in the jar, you notice we're getting kind of cloudy in there right now. We've got the hairspray in there, which is acting as the agent that's collecting condensation that's making the cloud. And after just a few seconds of letting the ice stay on top of the jar, we'll just go ahead and remove the lid from the jar. And now you can see that we have a cloud in a jar. And of course, the differences in the atmospheric pressure from the boiling water is what's causing all that to come out of the jar. So this is something really quick, simple that you can do at home, and it's a fun experiment. Join us next time, and we'll have another activity for you. Bye for now.